My little bag. All this stuff. Perfect. Call me Mr. Creative. Bolts off and then this, they should back out. Hopefully. We almost had it. Be careful, and I can't. Pretty lit. Got all the headliner out, almost all the insulation and stuff. Got all the rubber out of the doors. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the next thing, but the whole point of this is to restore it from all the rust and just get it all back to its former glory. And then it's gonna be my first car. So pretty stoked that this is gonna be my first car. Like, freaking never thought I would get something like this, but that's the end of the video today. And next video will be up at some point. So that's a summary of what is happening so far.